Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post update like this, you will be the first one to know about it. So real quick, I'm going to be talking about a trading platform that you can actually use to make money online. And if you know you are very good in trading, you can try this out. If you know you are not good and you want to learn, you can join their trading group whereby they post signals. You know how it is now. So they give you direction of how you trade. So if you know this is good for you, you can try this out. So let's go in. I will show you guys how to register, how the platform works and all. So join me, let's go in. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and review purposes only. I am only sharing my personal opinion and experience using this app. Results and experiences may vary depending on the user. Please do your own research before joining any online platform. Thank you. So we are going to be making use of our Google. We'll come here with paste. I want to show you guys how to register an account. I already have an account before. So click on it. It should load. I like to load because you have to pass this verification place. Yes, we accept. Yeah, this is it. This is the platform. So we have to register. Just watch the way I do it so that you too will be able to do your own. So we have to sign up. They say we should put email. So just put any email here. We'll put password. Can use any password. So click on sign up. Remember, you will see the link to register in the description of this video, on the comment section of this video. So they have sent the code. So let's wait for the code to come. This is not the code. Okay, 101. So let's go back and click on the code. Let's check our email for the code. So you see this is the code. So we'll copy the code. We'll copy it. Then we'll swipe away. We'll come and paste the code here. So be very fast, not to waste time here. We'll paste the code, put done. Then we'll click on sign up. Never successful. You can save the password there. If you want to save your password, you can save it or you write it down. So this is the platform. This is it. So if you want to deposit on this platform, you just come to this place where they say mine. You come here, you see where they say top up. You click on top up. So you see, you have to use CRC20 or you look for any other this you want to use. You can still use your Naira to deposit. So if you are not from Nigeria, you can actually use your USDT to deposit. But if you are from Nigeria, you can use your Naira to deposit, depending on the one you want. So when you come here, if it's $10 you want to deposit, you click on it. $10 is the minimum to deposit. If it's $20 you want to deposit, you click on it, depending on the amount you want to deposit. When you click on it, you now click on top up. When you click on top up, see it. When you send the money to the address that they give you, if it's Naira, when you send the money to the Naira account, you take a screenshot of it, of the transaction you just did. Then you come and upload it here. That's what you need to do, so that they will be able to check if you actually make the payments to their account. And when they find out that you made the payments to their account, the money will reflect. And once the money is reflected, then you can now start trading. So now I will go to my account. Let's use my account, my main account for this. So let me minimize and go to my account. So I'm going to be using, okay, this is where my account is. Okay, sorry. So this is my account. So you can see, you see my balance here. So I'll come here. If I want to trade now, this is how it is. See the platform. See, number one thing, if you want to invite on this platform, you can actually click on this place where they say invite. Copy your link and invite your friends. Now you want to know how to trade on this platform. So now there is, you can see there are different things here. You see the one of calculator. Now you want to take a trade. Maybe you have your balances and you want to budget $20 to trade now. Then you want to share it into 8. You see this place where they say, you see this place I clicked calculator. You click on it. You click on this thing. You see 8 step. So you can click on, is this 7th step you want your money to, you want to calculate your money to, or is 8 steps. So you click on it. You see it's 8 step. Now any trade I take now, I'm going to take those trade, and if I win, I win. If I don't win, I lose. So we'll go back. Now we'll come to this place where I say BTC 28. Remember, this platform has a trading group, a trading signal where they drop their signal. See it here. The drop signal here is a Telegram distance. I will drop the link for you to click and join the group. See, this one is number 1. See the main one here for taking signal. See it. They will tell you 1 minute trade. You click on it, you go and do it. So now they said transaction type 1 minute. See it. Current period. See it. Results win. Next issued ID. Trade big. They say you should trade big. So if you are very good in trade, you can go through all these things, settle down, and then you come and use it to trade. So now if you want to trade now, you can go to this BTC 28 or Ethereum 10, anyone you want to do. So go to this BTC 28. Now see your balance here. This is your balance on the top that is showing USDT. This is your balance. This is it. If you win, you win. If you lose, you will still see it. Now this balance, look at the balance here. This is $556. Okay, now I will click on this big. This is big, this is small. You see the signal there, it say big. So if they tell you small, you click on small. So I will now click on trade. See it. Click on trade. 1 minute. Is it 1 minute trade you want to click, or anyone? So click on trade. I'll press confirm. Then we'll wait. No betting within 15 seconds. So let's wait. That betting, they did not allow me to bet. So let's wait. We'll go again. Now, okay, it's already 0. So we'll just click on this one. Click on go. Purchase successful. You can see now. We'll wait for it to see if we won or we did not win. You see that my balance has reduced. So let's wait and see if we won. So that's just it about this particular place how to trade. This one, if you want to do for 3 minutes, you do. If you want to do for 5 minutes, you do, depending on the one you want to do. So wait, count down. Time to draw. If you want to draw, you can still draw. If you want to draw, you can draw. But if you don't want to draw, you can leave your trade like that. If you are a very good trader, you leave it like that and wait for it. And one thing about trading is 50-50. You might win, you might not win. You see it. I won. You see, I won. You see it, I won. You see my balance has stopped up. So that's just it. So go back. Now you see different ones here. See this one here, Ethereum. Okay, see this one. This one is a bit different. This one is still another one. Then we'll go back. See another one here. This one is sport start. This one is game start. Depending on the one you want to follow. You see this one, my team. You see this one, maybe you and some people want to start trading. This one for beginner, you can click on beginner, then you just go through all this place. They will give you like a write-up where what you will read. Let me put it like that. What you will read, you go through, then you can start trading. So go back now, see news here, see it. You see it. This platform is unique on its own. You see it. Now go back, see my balance. That's it. That's it. I don't know how to trade, but at least I won. Now you see it. See betting history. You want to see? You see it. I won just now. All your betting history. This is it. Now let's go back here. Now I told you guys that if you want to trade, you are not very good at it. You can join their Telegram. I'm saying it now. This is the Telegram group. See it. This is it. These are to trade. See, when you win, they will still come and write it here. So and so win the period and all this thing. So this is where you take signal. After taking signal, you will be very fast to come and trade here. If you are done trading and you want to withdraw your money, so you click on this place. You see that place where you click to top up, you click on withdraw. You see it. They'll tell you to put your wallet address. Is it this thing you want to use? Is it TRC20 you want to use? So you put it depending on the one you want to put. So you just put it, then you withdraw your money. See it, there's bank. You can still use bank to withdraw. You can use crypto to withdraw depending on the one you do. Then they will ask you for code though. Make sure the email you are using is your personal email that you use to register, so that you can always get code. Then, for example, I want to use TRC20 now. I'll click on TRC20. They will tell me to put my TRC20 address. So after putting it now, I'll just click on withdraw. So I'll wait for my money to come. See it? This one is unique. So give it a try. If you want to try it, then tell me under the comment section how it went. So this is just everything you need to know about this platform. And if you are interested, you can register. Thank you guys. I love you.